So one of the things that I promised to do was a monthly video about what's in my smoothie mix, and I'm really into smoothies at the moment. It's a really nice thing for winter because I've got very little fruit to eat. So I thought I'd just talk you through what's in the mix and I'll show you how I make it, and then we'll be done. So most of the stuff I'm getting at the moment is from the back garden. It's really nice to be able to just go out and pick it fresh, even though it is raining at the moment. I've just picked mine, and so I've been picking some beet leaves. These are golden beetroot leaves. I actually really like the golden beetroot leaves more than the red beetroot leaves. Just, I don't know, just look nice. I don't know what it is about them, but I like them more. Salad rocket, that's a fantastic winter ingredient. We've got loads of that growing in the garden at the moment. And turnip greens, they're fantastic as well. These are the Milan purple top. They're really good for greens. And yeah, they'll just keep going all the way through the year. What else have we got? We've got some chard in the front garden. I picked some of that. And actually behind me on the grow bench there, I've got lots of microgreens. So I've picked some peas, and they're just fantastic in a smoothie mix, but also great in a salad. And Debbie's been adding them to stir fries and things. Really versatile and really prolific. And I've got some baby beet greens. And yeah, some kale. Kale, yes, just a fantastic ingredient, I think, in smoothies. We always add it to the smoothies. Got a big mix of kales, so we've got all sorts of different perennial kales. We've got green curly kales, red Russian kale, red rubel, all sorts of different kales. So bung a lot of those in. What I'll then add is a banana, half a banana rather, and some apple cider vinegar. And the most important ingredient actually at the moment are broccoli sprouts. So that's enough talking, let me show you what we're doing. So this is my smoothie maker. It's not a fantastically expensive one, but it does the job. So here's the mix for the next 2 days. So there's all those mixes of greens in there. I don't add any fruit at this time of year other than a banana or half a banana or an apple, because that's all I've got. I don't have any really berries or anything like that to add. So we eat just seasonally, so we eat what we grow, apart from the banana. So half of that, half of this container of broccoli sprouts. They're just incredibly healthy. And we've got this really lovely little sprouting setup where we do basically, well, I'll cover it more in another video, but half of one of these every day, and so I need 6 on the go. And then apple cider vinegar. I really like the taste when I add apple cider vinegar. I find it a bit well, I can't really describe it, but anyway, I don't really like the taste of a smoothie unless it's got a couple of tablespoons full of apple cider vinegar in it. I mentioned I've got some little baby red cabbage leaves. So after you cut the red cabbage off, new little leaves will sprout, and so that's what I'm eating at the moment. They're really nice, and there's tertium leaves as well. So after 3 days of sprouting, these broccoli sprouts, they go in the fridge for the 4th day. And that's what it looks like in the smoothie maker. Not a huge amount because I eat about 10 servings of fruit and veg a day, and so I don't need a massive amount in my smoothie. So I add about half a pint of water. And there's the result. It's not thick and gloopy. I don't really like it too thick. I'll just leave it just for about 30 seconds, just to let some of the air escape from it, so I'm not drinking masses of air. So the body can get a bit confused if you suddenly glug down all that smoothie mix without any chewing. So I like to chew some of our dried apples from the allotment, and then the body is expecting calories to arrive in the digestive system. And it's important to optimize nutrition that you include some oil in the mix. So I often add some of this avocado oil, or just a little bit of cheese or something like that, and I think we're done. So I hope you like this quick video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.